Good morning, students. Welcome back to another section of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, Compute Quiz. Now let us start question answer session. Take the correct option. Question number 1. Who developed the World Wide Web? Option A, Tim Berners-Lee. Option B, Jim Osborne. Option C, Gordon Moore. And option D, none of these. Answer is option A, Tim Berners-Lee. English engineer and computer scientist Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989. He wrote the first web browser in 1990 while employed at CERN near Geneva, Switzerland. The browser was released outside CERN to other research institutions starting in January 1991 and then to the general public in August 1991. Next question. What is an email? Option A, creative writing on computers. Option B, a telephonic message sent to a computer. Option C, same as postal mail sent through internet. And option D, communicating with each other through computers. Answer is option D, communicating with each other through computers. Email entered limited use in the 1960s. But users could not only send to users of the same computer, and some early email systems required the author and the recipient to both the online simultaneously. Similar to instant messaging, Red Tomlinson is credited as the inventor of email. In 1971, he developed the first system able to send mail between users on different hosts across the ARPANET, using @ to link the username with the destination server. Next question. In which year was the first electronic digital computer made? Option A, in 1954. Option B, in 2000. Option C, in 1937. And option D, in 1999. Answer is option C, in 1937. Conceived in 1937, the machine was built by Iowa State College mathematics and physics professor John Vincent Atanasoff with the help of graduate student Clifford Berry. It was designed only to solve systems of linear equations and was successfully tested in 1942. Next question. In which year was the internet credited? Option A, 1980. Option B, 1969. Option C, 2000. And option D, 1995. Answer is option B, 1969. The Internet was developed in the United States by the United States Department of Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. The Internet was connected in October of 1969 and was called ARPANET. Next question. Who is known as the father of modern computer science? Option A, Charles Babbage. Option B, Alan Turing. Option C, Bill Gates. And option D, James Watt. Answer is option A, Charles Babbage. A mathematician, philosopher, inventor, and mechanical engineer, Babbage originated the concept of digital programmable computer. Charles Babbage is called the father of computers because the concepts he pioneered in his engine letter form the basis of modern computers. Babbage is credited with inventing the first mechanical computer, the difference engine, that eventually led to more complex electronic designs, though all the essential ideas of modern computers are to be found in Babbage's analytic engine. Next question. How many megabytes of information does a 3.5-inch floppy disk hold? Option A 2.44, option B 5, option C 1.44 and option D 3.5. Answer is option C 1.44 megabyte. A floppy disk is a type of disk storage composed of a thin and flexible disk of a magnetic storage medium in a square or nearly square plastic enclosure lined with a fabric that removes dust particles from the spinning disk. Floppy disks are read from and written to by a floppy disk drive. The first floppy disk invented and made by IBM had a disk diameter of 8 inches. Subsequently, 5.25 inch and then 3.5 inch became a ubiquitous from data storage and transferred into the first years of the 21st century. By 2006, computers were rarely manufactured with installed floppy disk drives. 3.5-inch floppy disks can still be used with an external USB floppy disk drive. Fun fact: the use of computers in hospitals can help us to conserve nature, as it stores records in chips and saves paper. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, good day, goodbye.